Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your abilities in Destiny 2. Begin by opening View Journey and navigating to your character. Then select your subclass. Go into Details and right here you can toggle between your unlocked abilities and, well, pick whatever one you like. For example, I will replace Towering Barricade with Thrusters, or the Strafe Lift with the Catapult Lift, etc, etc. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.